He did his job and he deserves to be brought to work here now.
Sipiika wa Parliament Anita Mongo alagidde abaserikale ba poliisi babiri Babazze ku poliisi ya Parliament okuli eyakubiddwa omukyala ate omulala nga yalabikidde mu katambi ng'enkuba emuggweerako wabula ng'alagirira ab'ebidduka. Sipiika Mongo agamba bonna baleetebwe n'abasiima okukola obulungi emirimu gyabwe.
He did his job and he deserves to be brought to work here now, so that he can rest. So police should transfer that police officer to Parliament.
We undertake to communicate that offer to the Ministry of Internal Affairs. Honourable members,
both of them.
The Speaker,
okay, both of them.
The Speaker has ruled.
Both of them.
In the first case was one, but now she has said both.
Both.
So our duty is to extract and communicate the guidance and directive and commitment of the Right Honourable Speaker.
It is likely that all the policemen and women are going to start jumping in the rain because they are being appreciated.
They should work.
I totally appreciate the sacrifice the policeman made, but the right thing should be done. If they need protective gears, raincoats and so on, let them be given. If they need water, let them be supported. Because we don't want to cause commotion where every policeman will come on the road.
Omubaka omukyalo wa Mitoma District Juliet Bashisha mulamu wa Timbi Twire eyawutudde mu poliisi naye yeetondedde babaka banne ku kikolwa kino era omukyala poliisi yamuvunaanye.
She is the wife of my brother.
Who?
The lady in the question, and I'm really very sorry that it is happening. She is very apologetic accordingly. And when I talked to her as the leader this time, she said it was a bad day for her.
Omubaka wa Terego Obiga Rose yenyamidde ku misala gy'abaserikale ba poliisi emitono neyegattibwa kababaka Javira Semwanga gattako Xavier Choma ne Charles Tebandeke.
The increment we put on police salary has not been done cross-board. Yeah. It's only the police who are at bigger levels, better ranks, who have been given money.
We gave the money for police, for army, and for prisons.
Thank you, Right Honourable Speaker. Right Honourable Speaker, you see, the lower cadre reach us individually. Even our police here in Parliament are saying they have not got increment. The lower cadre have not been increased salary, but the higher ranks have even tripled their money.
The salary enhancement did not trickle to the lower cadres. Just on Sunday, I was up counter and the policeman was saying, "We thanked you when you considered us, but we have waited in vain."
And as a member of budget committee, we have been passing it. Right Honourable Speaker, in my understanding, I thought that a full police uniform includes a jacket, a rain jacket.
So the procedural matter I want to raise whether it would not be proper to refer these issues to our committee of Parliament here, to invite the ministry and interrogate all those and have physical examine.
The Committee of Defense and Internal Affairs should take up this issue and report to the House. And I think that is a better way. They should take up this issue and report within 2 weeks.
Bia Mohamed Wamala ne Eric Sebala Msorot TV Omunya.
Under the guidance of